Hey guys, today we're at Suzuki South Africa for something different. It's the first time in all the years that we've been called to do something like this, but today we're doing a bike build-off against them, ZA bikers. So the plan of the attack today is we've got two crated GSX-S 1000Ss. Who can build them the fastest and who can ride them home without crashing? Let's see how it goes.
In the beginning of the build-off, the cardboard's off, please watch fingers. There is sharp side beams that can cut you. We're then going to first things get the batteries out so they can go onto their initialization charge. From there, we'll get handlebars on, handlebar controls, steering head nuts, all of that stuff will be torqued. Tire pressures, then we'll start with petrol, then we'll put batteries in and get everything else set from there. The tools are behind you. Fuel we'll do right at the end so there's no mess and no fuss. You guys understand? Easy enough?
Clear as that. Got it.
Ish.
All right. We are ready to go. 3, 2, 1, go.
The fans will come on. 105. Fan needs to come on and turn off. There we go. Yes.
Here's the fan.
Kyle was a slow starter. Story of Kyle.
No, hang on. Let's talk about the GT here. The preparation.
There we go.
Who's going to turn
Fans off!
Hands off.
Yes!
Congo my looks.
Oh, thank you. Hold on.
That was great.
Well done, dudes.
Well done, everybody.
That thanks for the leading. Do not we can hold up.
However,
We can hold up to the
However-
we did this on our own.
please do not come and apply at any of my dealerships.
The dealerships are allocated 45 minutes to assemble and PDI the bike. These guys with no experience, very little experience, have done it in an hour and 15 minutes. So not bad. Officially the winners, ZA bikers.
Well, there you have it. An hour and 15 minutes later, it came down to the fan. And that's literally what it came down to. The fan turning on and the fan turning off. And that's where ZA bikers pipped us. It'll be the only time they pip us though.